Sanibonani dumelang mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami _. I am back and unbothered and back to fix the country. I neutralize, I fix, I destroy. Let's get it. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
No, but no, man, you keep impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Right. Hi guys. Hi. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. I've got a YouTube channel, right? I just go around asking couples questions. Was it fine if I ask you guys questions? Just literally 5 questions and I'm out of your hair. I'm gone. 5 questions. That's too many questions for a couples quiz.
5, you're okay.
Why not?
But why?
Why not? Girl, you've got pretty eyes. You're so pretty. If he's cheating on you, I'll take you from him. But maybe I'm not your type. No, guys, seriously, can I ask you questions?
Why are you doing this?
Hmm?
Why are you doing this?
I just compile questions for couples and I use them for research on how couples interact with each other. You know, relationships are different, right? Okay. So I just want to see how different couples interact and how they handle situations. I study psychology.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's for school. Is it okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel and?
Namsha.
Namsha. How long have you been together?
2 years.
2
I
years.
think.
Still going strong?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, ne? How much do you trust her?
85%.
85%?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Where's the other 15%?
Okay, I can say 99%.
99%?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you?
100.
100?
Mm-hmm.
Also, in the 2 years you've been together, no cheating, nothing?
No.
Really?
Not that I've noticed.
What's wrong?
No,
You're not fine.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100% sure.
Okay, would you be willing to prove your loyalty to your woman if the opportunity was presented? You guys have been together for 2 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would you want to prove your loyalty
How?
by switching phones,
Switching phones.
switching cell phones? Girl? Oh, child, not that sigh. Are you thinking about it? Must I give you time to think about it?
Okay.
But it's fine.
Fine.
It's fine.
Fine.
But
Okay.
Toma gaya.
No, I want to start with yours.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Why not? I want to start with the head of the home. I don't want to start with the neck. When you're having chicken feet, what do you eat first? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, can I have your phone? Vusi, you need to stop doing that. Can I please have your phone as well? Thank you, girl. You guys are panicking.
Check mine as well.
You just want to check his. All right. Passcode, ne? Do you guys think you're going to be together after this?
Yeah.
You just have to see.
Ne? Oh, the gazelle. All right. Okay, WhatsApp, ne? Go to his WhatsApp. All right, type I love you. Okay, scroll. That's you, no?
Yeah, this is me.
Yo, Emmanuel? Who did you say I love you to?
Who you, Musa?
Only her.
Nam.
Only her.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh,
Manje
okay.
ubani usinenhlanhla?
Okay.
Sinenhlanhla. Let me see.
You don't know what's on your phone?
Ubani usinenhlanhla? Nami usinenhlanhla.
Snake. Oh. Aye, classmate, did you? Snake. Yeah, classmate. Yeah.
Classmate.
Yeah.
So when you were acting confused, you were thinking of a lie. Since we're all lying today, go into the media
Okay.
and see what they're sending each other.
Classmate,
Yeah.
Sibona izinto up.
ukusendela ama-nudes.
Sibona izinto up.
Like, mphefoni yakhe.
Classmate.
Emmanuel,
Ke
what's happening?
classmate.
What's happening?
I-nudes. Classmate.
Yeah.
Why is she sending you nudes? Why is she sending you nudes? Yeah, you Ruza. You're
Aye,
nice.
no. You go. Jo mphefoni yakhe.
Ima, wo. Sungam.
Do you want to call her? What's name?
Ngicela simfonele.
I also think so. This is not a
but
classmate.
people
Aye.
Why are you guys here?
Aye.
Why?
Hi. Let me see.
So usendelana ama-nudes ne-classmates zakho?
Wena.
Nanyaka ke compliment fela.
For what? Doesn't she have her boyfriend of her own?
I'm not sure, but she's not my girlfriend.
Ungenaphi wena ke ngokuba kusendela i-nudes? Ungenaphi kwi-nudes?
Vusi, please hold.
Uyamthanda?
No.
But you said I love you here on the phone. Hectic.
Hello?
Hello?
Usinenhlanhla lo?
Yeah, uyokhuluma ubale ngikhuluma naye.
Ngicela ubuza udibaniswa yintoni no-Imza?
Hello?
Ngicela ubuza udibaniswa yintoni no-Imza?
Hayibo, umuntu wami wayibuza.
Oh, okay, sure.
Wena uhlanganisa
No,
naye.
anisafuni uthetha
No, I
nawe,
want him
sis,
to
it's
talk to
fine.
his woman. Talk to your woman.
No, like.
Talk to your second woman.
Hello? Urujola lena?
Hayibo uyangiphika manje wena.
Heaven, since when?
Uyangijwayela waye ungiphika.
Since when?
Cha usamfuni nje ufuna bazi so sekayazi manje ehlukana naye phela uze nje.
Heaven.
Ngihlukana
nawe kanjani? Mina ngijola nawe.
Why uthi hebana? Why uthi hebana mntu no?
Dala ufuna ukuhlukana naye.
Angijoli naye nomuntu.
Oh, you switched off the phone. Uzokhupha indaba. Are you sure? Okay.
Pendula makaphendule.
Pendula. You're nice. Sikulindile. Pendula.
I've got nothing to say.
You've got
Jo.
nothing to say,
Yeah.
clearly. Let's check your phone. You'll decide what you do with him. Or if you want to stay. Girl, of course. Do you have a password? I don't know if you... Oh, please.
Nyanzelekile uba neyami sijonge.
Girl. Are you hiding something as well? You also cheating? Please hold it. I hope so. Okay, what's up, ne?
Okay.
Okay, type I love you.
Okay. Yeah, see,
Alright.
you send it in na kilo one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delete. type morning after pill. Can you come closer, please?
Morning after pill.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nabulela Dumelo.
In the morning after?
Morning after pill, Nabulela Dumelo. Catch you.
Who's Dumelo?
Dumelo.
That you are discussing a morning after pill with Namhla?
Uyamazi nje uDumelo ngilo hlala eLondon ngetransport.
Okay. Why
Mara
are you
why-
talking about a morning after pill?
Hayibo khathi nibone.
No.
Sibone izinto up.
No, like zisifoni yami ndibone
No,
kaloku.
like what's it-
Anikhumbuli ke, anikhumbuli ndithini anikhumbuli. Zisa ifoni ndibone.
Watsiba nokulela ngilena.
Zisa ifoni.
Uchori lo na wachita Musa. So no utlo jajana.
You're both cheating.
Uyamazi lo muntu ngilo hlala eLondon.
No. Why libola ka morning after pill?
Ngicela ukubona imessage ethi morning.
Hi, wow. We're gonna call Dumelo, ne? You're supposed to be riding his car. No, you're supposed to be riding his car. You are riding other things. No. 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 Don't do that.
Emmanuel Masam.
Oh, now you want to leave.
Emmanuel Masam.
No, kunyaka ulela Dumelo.
Uyakulanda ngetransport. Is that what you just said? Hey.
Uyayazi Emmanuel lento enithetha ngayo. Uyayazi.
Okay.
Copy this.
Hello?
You have reached the voicemail like service.
All of that for we're gonna try again.
Emmanuel Masam.
No, va Luan.
Besihamba sithu nje.
No, no accept.
Copy this tune, press 1.
Are you gonna stay with her?
I'm not sure.
You're also cheating, so
Hayibo uzawukwenza njani ke ngoku Emmanuel like
Hello.
chithanga and stuff.
Sure.
Kubulela Dumelo.
Yeah.
So wena la namhla u dira
Yeah?
between wena la namhla u dira gaeng?
Ish, angikuza.
Kiri between wena le namhla, what's going on between you guys?
Yeah?
Kiri u dira galang between wena le namhla?
Oh, unamhla ngavele sipani.
Ini?
Yandizwa?
Ke ukwa vele, uring, ubulela.
Yeah, ndiyasho ngavele emsebenzini. Mara ngathi ikhashi yami ngimthanda.
Oh, that's why libolela ka morning after pill.
Ngasho kanjalo.
Okay.
Now ufuna
Usho ukuthi
ukuthetha,
wena
yeah.
umumithisile.
Yeah?
Usho ukuthi wena umumithisile.
Nhlezi umuntu wami.
hey.
Okay, sharp brag.
So, but wena wabuza ngani? Uyinayo first intombi yami.
Ke girlfriend yakhe.
Ngasuka wena sani kumuntu wami, yes.
Mna dropa jo ntwe be ke nyaka ke grey.
Where's her phone, Vusi? Because clearly, you guys are both cheating, right? I think just throw the entire relationship away. Because you guys are both cheating.
Emmanuel Masam betu.
Mina I can't move on with it.
Emmanuel Masam.
But you're also cheating. Why are you acting brand new?
Yeah.
Emmanuel Masam.
No.
No, go with your woman.
No.
So her cheating is worse than your cheating.
Yeah, I can see that.
How
Why?
and why? Please explain. We are all here listening.
Why?
No, ya go better like one mithisile jo.
Mandela must know ngusinenhlanhla wena utheni
She's not pregnant. The guy didn't say thingy. That's what the morning after pill is for. Are you pregnant?
I'm not.
But like
And kwazi bani ba unawa ummithisa ngusinenhlanhla.
okay, when I qhubeka noTumelo nami ngizoqhubeka noSinenhla.
Oh, that's what
so
you wanted,
uyamvuma
Vale.
ngokusinenhlanhla?
Yeah.
Uyamvuma ngokusinenhlanhla?
Yeah, ngiyamvuma vele.
Oh. Wow. Your audacity. I think just throw the relationship away, guys. Don't stay. No, throw the relationship away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Do you wanna stay with Usne?
Yeah.
Or her?
Yeah, Sne.
You choose Sne.
Yeah.
I think you also need to make a decision, ne? Don't you want to take Utumelo? Also just break up.
Utumelo.
Kule morning after you're done. Namhla he's done. Just throw the relationship away. You guys are both cheating.
Emmanuel.
No.
You're done.
Yeah, I'm done with you.
Namhla, I'm sorry. Girl, it's done. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, girl, I'm sorry. Oh, son. Let it go. Why don't you want to talk at least? What do you have to say? Talk now.
Okay, ask easy, Emmanuel. Ask easy.
Okay, it's fine, but leave her.
And now uchitile mos.
Yeah.
You love this snare, ne?
So awubonto wrong ngawo no snare. Is it because nam ndichitile or is it because uhleli ungayi?
That is crazy. So she was not supposed to cheat, but you can.
Pendula Emmanuel.
That's delusional. That's delusional. Guys, separate. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, CMTV viewers, I'm definitely closing the show right now. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ I will see you later.
Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?